Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I'm gonna give you some tips on how to solve the 3 by 3 one-handed. Okay, so a lot of you guys had problems on how to solve the 3 by 3 one-handed. Like a lot of you could solve it but did not know how to get faster at it. And if you are one of those people, this video is for you. So keep watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Okay, so the first step to solve the 3 by 3 one-handed is to learn personalized algorithms. So what I mean by personalized algorithms is that sometimes when you solve the cube and for example I'll give this case, you see it's a U-perm. If I solve the 3 by 3 with two hands, I would use the algorithm with M-perms and do that. But while I'm solving it one-handed, I see that doing one-handed is too hard. So I do not do that. I learn different algorithms and I see the one which suits me the most. So while solving one-handed, I don't have to do M algorithm. I can do a different algorithm and solve it faster. Okay, so you can learn different algorithms for different case, and if you do not know more algorithms for the same case, you can DM me on Insta on Cube Master Stress or comment on this video. So I'll make different algorithms and show you different ways to solve the same cube. Okay, so the second step to solve faster is to use different fingers while solving the cube. So at first it's gonna be really hard and lot time taking, but soon after you get faster, it's gonna be really helpful though. So for an example, I see the R perm. So I use ring finger over here, and then this back, and ring finger to get it up. You see, I don't have to regrip much this way. I can do everything with just two fingers, my index finger and my ring finger. So the same thing you should practice slow and slow, and after you get faster it's gonna be really helpful though. Okay, so the third step to solve the Rubik's Cube one-handed is to make your personalized finger tricks. Okay, so what I mean by personalized finger tricks is that if you see a lot of speed cubers, they for doing the U prime, they do that. Okay, and if you ask me, that's really hard for me because I can't do that. Okay, so what I do is I do this is very much easier for me compared to the other one. So what I want to say is that if you're not able to do a particular type of finger trick, you do not pressurize on that, because your fingers are just gonna start paining if you try doing different finger tricks. So what I advise is to make your own finger tricks with which you are easy and start practicing with them. Okay, so the fourth trick is that start moving your cube. Okay, start rotating your cube and moving it here and there while solving. Trust me, it sounds funny, but it's really helpful. Okay, so the R perm, I do it normally without moving it much. It's like this. Okay, so it takes time, and the one while moving the fingers, like, okay, so that way it's gonna help you to, like, get faster by moving, and that helps you with your direction also as well. Okay, so the fifth and the final step is practice and practice. So one-handed is a type of thing that you cannot learn overnight. It takes a lot of practice, and so the more you practice, the more faster you're gonna get with your fingers. Know your fingers really well, and even if you found this video a little helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Winning Brains, make sure you go and subscribe Winning Brains. If you want more such tutorials, you can go and comment down below, and also follow me on Instagram as cubemaster_shreyas, and I'll meet you guys on the next video.